Know how to track your Risevest portfolio performance on the Risevest app? Then work with me. Tracking your investment performance on the Risevest app allows you to monitor total growth, yield, and specific asset returns in real time. So what you have to do is, once you are in your app, so you have to check your total portfolio balance on the home screen. So from the home dashboard, you can view your total net portfolio value displayed in USD or in naira, alongside your overall lifetime earnings and accumulated returns. So what you have to do is select a specific investment plan. So you have to click on your plans, scroll through your active plans under plans or investments. So tap on the target portfolio asset class, probably the growth as stocks, the real estate, fixed income, or dollar vault, whichever one you want to check your investment on. Then you analyze the plan performance and return metrics. So inside this plan screen on your phone, there are reviewed detailed growth metrics like the daily earnings, the performance charts, transaction and dividends. So if you want to know about your transaction and dividends, just tap history or payout to see your logged returns, recurring contributions, or your dividend deposits. So then you review your wallet and asset location. So then to do that, you go to wallet. Under your wallet, then you tap into the wallet bar and inspect uninvested cash balances, your earnings, your earnings available for withdrawal, and your total percentage breakdown across fixed return and equity plans. So with this, you can track your portfolio performance on Risevest. I hope I've been helpful. Thank you for watching.